Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the DYU C3 mini foldable e-bike. These have become all the craze because of how easy it is to just load it up into your vehicle. It is literally just one latch and you load it in, which makes it really easy if you are transporting it from location to location. It also folds really small so you can put it under your desk at work if you work in the city. Really has a lot of really cool features to this little e-bike here. So, and a lot of people are going to ask right off the bat, can it handle a full-size adult? Guys, I'm about 200 pounds and it holds me just fine. In fact, I can still hit those top speeds at my weight. It does have a recommended maximum weight of 265 pounds, which is actually quite surprising because most of these mini foldable e-bikes can only handle around 200 pounds. So this is really nice. Let's take it on the road. We'll test it out. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. Let's go. All right, so let's get right into it. The DYU C3 is a 14-inch folding e-bike, so it is a smaller size e-bike. So don't expect the world, guys, but it comes in at an incredibly low price right now of $349. Now that price can vary because the retail price on that is $469, but it is on sale right now with the link in the description of this video. So for $349 to get anything electric transportation is impressive. So let's talk about the specs on this thing. It does have a pedal assisted range of 21 miles. Now, if you are doing just pure electric, no pedaling at all, you can get about 15.5 miles from my tests. It does have a peak motor of 350 watts. It is sustained at a 250 watts, and that is with a 36 volt, 7.5 amp hour battery. Gonna get you a max speed of about 25 kilometers per hour. Again, this thing is only 20 kilograms, so it's a very light e-bike, which really is the whole idea behind this bike, is being able to just lift it up, hide it, small, doesn't take up a lot of space. It does use disc brakes, and I found that the braking system on this thing is actually quite good. And like I mentioned before, the folding design is pretty nice. It doesn't fold up completely. Just the stem, the neck stem for the handlebars folds down, which is usually perfectly fine unless you're trying to fit this into like a small sedan. This will fit in pretty much any SUV. Obviously trucks, no problem as well. It does have a 2-year warranty on the frame, 1-year warranty on the battery and the motor. So that's actually a pretty impressive warranty on these e-bikes. And they are doing, like I said, an anniversary sale right now, so the price is crazy good at $349. I just had to bring this to you guys as soon as I could. It only comes in one color, is black, and that's your only option, but you can add some accessories. If you buy it right now from their website, they do give you a phone mount for free. They even give you a little speaker for free and an air pump for free, which is really cool. And I didn't actually get any of that when I ordered mine, so that's nice that they actually do that. And as you can see, as I'm riding out here, I am feeling some of the bumps. This is not a suspension e-bike. This is not an off-road e-bike. This is simply a city commuter e-bike. That's really what it's designed for, getting from point A to point B at a very inexpensive way. You know, a lot of time you live in the city and trying to get to the office and to your apartment can be a hassle with traffic. If you do live in the city, it's really convenient just to jump on a little bike like this and go to work. If you are just traveling through your neighborhood, it's also really convenient as well. And with the size, it'll handle, you know, teenagers, but it'll also handle full-size adults, which is kind of nice with that 265-pound max weight. So overall, I actually am pretty impressed with this e-bike. It is not the highest performing e-bike that I've ever used, certainly, but it definitely gets the job done at a great price point. All right, guys, I got to give you my final thoughts on this little e-bike right now. So this little guy right here, I'll tell you, was really easy to get on and off, which was a huge bonus because as you can tell, it's very low right here. It does come standard with a rack, which I've not seen in these little foldable e-bikes, which is nice. The seat can also be adjusted up or down. I have it for my height, but you can bring it down if you are a shorter stature. This thing can handle anybody, pretty much of any height and any weight up to, again, 265 pounds, which is pretty impressive. And there's not a lot to this. There's not a lot of gear shifting. You don't have different speed levels. You literally have turn it on, throttle or pedal. That's it. Really simple design e-bike. This really is catered for those that want to just literally turn it on and go, and have the convenience to fold it down, stick it in your vehicle, or bring it to work. It does have smaller tires. These are 14-inch tires. Brakes worked great. It does have a front headlight so you can ride it at night. Because if you want to go from point A to point B safely, quickly, without any hassles, this is the way to go. And it came pre-built, pretty much pre-built. The fenders, the only thing I had to put on, but other than that, pre-built, guys. Really easy. I love it. DYU does a great job on these e-bikes. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to get one of these, again, I'll put links down in the description section of this video. I'm going to take it out for a little bit more riding. Stay tuned. Watch those riding scenes. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again. Bye.